creative displays, showrooms and conferences, large-scale command and control centers,